everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a pretend tuna spread that is vegan friendly. It tastes really nice. I wouldn't like to say it tastes like tuna because I haven't eaten tuna for over 4.5 years, but it tastes really nice as a sandwich filling. I got the recipe from Instagram from somebody called Izzy's Bites, so courtesy to her for this recipe. And I just want to share it with you now as it's one of our staple sandwich fillings, especially in the winter. First of all, take a tin of chickpeas and strain them, and the juice can be kept if you want to make meringue or other dishes. Then put the chickpeas into a bowl. I prefer a flat dish to a bowl because I just find it easier to mush. I have put this in a food processor before now and it hasn't been successful. It's been all right, but it's very smooth, and you don't want it ever so smooth. You want it with a nice lot of texture, really. So through the food processor wasn't the best idea for me. So mush down the chickpeas, then add half a red onion, and then a teaspoon of capers. Now I always thought capers were fish. How wrong could I be? They are like, I did look it up on Google. They are little flower buds. Little flower buds. Let me just see. They are little flower buds that you can just use up. Unfortunately, the jar, you only need a teaspoon, and the jar only lasts 2 weeks. So I need to find other recipes that use them up because I hate waste and I hate throwing things away. I might even try freezing them in small batches. I wonder how they freeze. I feel a Google search coming on, unless anybody can help me in the comments below. And then 2 gherkins. Gherkins are part of my staple diet. I absolutely love pickles. I have to be careful because I'm allergic to barley, so I have to watch what vinegar they're in, but I absolutely love gherkins. And having mashed the gherkins in, you then add half a lemon. Now, unfortunately, I forgot to buy a lemon, but normally you squeeze half a lemon and put the juice in, but I haven't got a half a lemon, but I do have this lemon juice, which is a good standby. So I'm going to guess what half a lemon is. About that, I think. And then mush that in as well. And then just a sprinkling of dill. So I'm going to put some dill on this teaspoon first because I might get too carried away. There we go. Just a sprinkling of dill, which is very nice. And again, just mush it in. And then a nori sheet, which is seaweed. So 1 nori sheet. And we use these for sushi. So the best way to do it, although Izzy Bites does use scissors actually, which is a good idea, sort of folds it up and then snips bits off, but I'm just going to tear them off. But snipping is better, I think. I just don't know. And then the last ingredient to add is 2 tablespoons of vegan mayonnaise, and this is the Hellmann's one, but I have done it with the Biona one as well, very satisfactorily. And then what I do is I store it in a jam jar. And like I say, this recipe is courtesy of @Izzy's Bites, and I'll put a link below. It's a really, really lovely recipe, and we use it a lot in our sandwiches. So that's ready to go in the fridge. This is the obligatory testing, which I force myself to do for most of my videos. Sometimes I just, like the soup, I eat it without doing the testing, but the obligatory testing session. This is so good. Like I said, I've no idea if it's really like tuna, but it is nice. And with the chickpeas, you've got loads of protein, so no worries there. So I hope you enjoy making this recipe. Stay fit, stay vegan, stay happy. See you later. Bye.